Hello and welcome back to Benefits Unlocked. Today's topic is bone broth and how this ancient, nourishing food can support gut healing and strengthen your immune system. Bone broth has been used for centuries in cultures all over the world, long before modern nutrition science caught up with what traditional wisdom already knew. From homemade chicken soup given to someone with a cold to slow-simmered broths used in traditional cooking, bone broth has long been considered deeply restorative. But in recent years, scientists and nutrition researchers have begun to understand why this simple food can be so powerful for digestive health, immune support, and overall wellness. If you've ever struggled with bloating, digestive discomfort, low immunity, or simply want to support your body in a natural way, bone broth may be one of the most underrated foods you can add to your routine. Let's explore exactly how bone broth works inside the body and why it has become such a popular tool for gut repair and immune resilience. To understand why bone broth is so powerful, we first need to talk about the gut. Your digestive tract is far more than just a tube that processes food. It is actually one of the most important systems in your entire body. Inside your gut lives trillions of bacteria that make up what scientists call the gut microbiome. These microbes influence digestion, nutrient absorption, metabolism, mood, inflammation levels, and even immune defense. In fact, about 70% of your immune system is located in your gut. That means the health of your digestive system plays a direct role in how well your body can defend itself against illness and infection. When the gut lining becomes damaged or inflamed, problems can begin to appear throughout the body. This condition is sometimes referred to as increased intestinal permeability, or what many people call leaky gut. When the gut lining becomes compromised, small particles from food and bacteria can pass into the bloodstream, triggering immune reactions and inflammation. This can contribute to symptoms like bloating, food sensitivities, fatigue, skin problems, brain fog, and weakened immune defenses. Healing the gut lining and restoring balance to the digestive system is one of the most powerful ways to improve overall health, and that's where bone broth comes in. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue in water for an extended period of time, usually between 12 and 24 hours. During this slow cooking process, important nutrients are released from the bones and connective tissues into the broth. These nutrients include collagen, gelatin, amino acids, minerals, and compounds that help repair the digestive lining. The result is a nutrient-rich liquid that is easy for the body to absorb and gentle on the digestive system. One of the most important components of bone broth is collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body and plays a major role in maintaining the strength and structure of connective tissues, skin, joints, and the intestinal lining. When collagen from bone broth is broken down during cooking and digestion, it forms gelatin and several amino acids that help support tissue repair. These nutrients can help strengthen the lining of the digestive tract, which is essential for maintaining a healthy barrier between the gut and the bloodstream. Gelatin is particularly important for gut health because it can help soothe and protect the digestive lining. When gelatin mixes with liquids in the digestive system, it forms a gel-like substance that coats the gut wall. This gentle coating may help calm irritation and support the healing process for individuals dealing with digestive inflammation or sensitivity. Many people who consume bone broth regularly report improvements in symptoms like bloating, indigestion, and discomfort after meals. Another key reason bone broth supports gut healing is because it contains specific amino acids that play important roles in tissue repair and immune balance. One of the most important of these amino acids is glutamine. Glutamine serves as a primary fuel source for the cells that line the intestines. These cells regenerate quickly and require a steady supply of nutrients to maintain a strong and healthy barrier. By providing glutamine and other amino acids, bone broth can help nourish these cells and support their ability to repair and rebuild the gut lining. Bone broth also contains glycine, another amino acid that supports digestive health and detoxification. Glycine helps the body produce stomach acid, which is necessary for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Low stomach acid can lead to problems such as indigestion, nutrient deficiencies, and bacterial overgrowth in the digestive tract. By supporting healthy stomach acid production, glycine can help improve the body's ability to break down food and absorb essential nutrients. In addition to supporting digestion, glycine also plays a role in regulating inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is one of the major drivers of many modern health problems, including autoimmune conditions, metabolic disorders, and weakened immunity. The nutrients in bone broth may help reduce inflammatory signals in the body and support a more balanced immune response. Speaking of immunity, bone broth provides several nutrients that support the immune system directly. When bones simmer in water for long periods of time, they release minerals such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and trace elements that are essential for immune function. These minerals are highly bioavailable in bone broth, meaning the body can absorb and use them easily. Bone broth also supports immunity by strengthening the gut barrier. Since a large portion of immune activity takes place in the digestive tract, maintaining a healthy intestinal lining helps prevent harmful bacteria and toxins from entering the bloodstream. When the gut barrier is strong and functioning properly, the immune system can focus on defending the body rather than reacting to internal leaks or irritations. Another interesting benefit of bone broth is its potential role in supporting the body during illness. Many people instinctively turn to broth-based soups when they are sick, and there may be a scientific reason for this tradition. Warm broths help keep the body hydrated, provide easily digestible nutrients, and may support immune activity during recovery. The amino acids in bone broth can help the body rebuild tissues and maintain energy, while the immune system works to fight off infection. Bone broth may also benefit the gut microbiome. While bone broth itself does not contain probiotics unless fermented or combined with probiotic foods, it can help create a healthier environment for beneficial bacteria to thrive. By strengthening the gut lining and reducing inflammation, bone broth supports the conditions needed for a balanced microbial community in the digestive system. Another advantage of bone broth is that it is extremely easy to digest. For people dealing with digestive issues, heavy or complex foods can sometimes worsen symptoms. Bone broth provides nourishment in a gentle form that does not require significant digestive effort. This makes it particularly useful during times of illness, recovery, fasting, or digestive reset protocols. Bone broth also contains compounds known as glycosaminoglycans, which include substances like glucosamine and chondroitin. These compounds are often associated with joint health, but they may also support the structural integrity of tissues throughout the body. Because connective tissues share many similar building blocks, the nutrients that support joints may also help maintain the strength of the intestinal lining. Many people also notice improvements in skin, hair, and nails when they consume bone broth regularly. This is likely due to its collagen content, which supports the structure of skin and connective tissue. While these cosmetic benefits often get the most attention on social media, the deeper benefits of collagen are happening internally, where connective tissues and the digestive lining rely on these proteins for strength and resilience. If you're considering adding bone broth to your daily routine, the good news is that it's incredibly versatile. Bone broth can be consumed on its own as a warm drink, used as the base for soups and stews, or incorporated into recipes like grains, vegetables, and sauces. Some people enjoy starting their day with a cup of warm bone broth as a nourishing alternative to coffee, while others prefer it in the evening as a calming and restorative beverage. When choosing bone broth, quality matters. Broths made from grass-fed or pasture-raised animals tend to contain higher levels of beneficial nutrients. Slow simmering is also important because the long cooking process allows more collagen, amino acids, and minerals to be extracted from the bones. Homemade bone broth is often considered the gold standard, but there are also high-quality store-bought options available for convenience. It's also worth mentioning that bone broth works best as part of a broader gut-supportive lifestyle. Eating fiber-rich foods, managing stress, getting adequate sleep, and including fermented foods like yogurt or kefir can all help maintain a healthy digestive system. Bone broth is not a magic cure on its own, but it can be a powerful supportive tool when combined with healthy daily habits. For those dealing with digestive sensitivity, bone broth may be particularly helpful during periods when the gut needs extra care. Some people use it as part of short-term gut repair protocols or elimination diets because it provides nourishment while giving the digestive system a break from more complex foods. Another interesting benefit is that the glycine in bone broth may help support sleep quality. Glycine has been shown in some studies to promote relaxation and improve sleep onset by helping regulate body temperature and calming the nervous system. This means a warm cup of bone broth in the evening may not only support gut healing, but also encourage deeper, more restful sleep. In many ways, bone broth represents a return to traditional nourishment. Modern diets often emphasize convenience foods that are stripped of many natural nutrients. Bone broth reminds us that some of the most powerful health-supporting foods are also the simplest. By slowly simmering bones and connective tissues, we unlock a rich source of nutrients that the body recognizes and uses efficiently. As more research continues to explore the connection between gut health and overall wellness, bone broth is likely to remain a staple in many health-conscious kitchens. Its ability to support digestive repair, provide easily absorbed nutrients, and strengthen immune defenses makes it a valuable addition to a balanced diet. If you're looking for a simple way to support your gut and immune system, incorporating bone broth a few times per week may be a good place to start. Whether enjoyed as a comforting drink or used as the base of nourishing meals, this traditional food offers a powerful combination of nutrients that help the body repair, rebuild, and maintain balance. Thanks for watching Benefits Unlocked. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.